I have here a package. So in today's video, I will do unboxing. This package is from Singapore. So let's see what's inside. And we will do a review for this item. No address here, it's just Singapore, just from Singapore. There's no name, so let's see. I get 2 items and we will open this and see what's inside this package. Do you have scissors, please? Thank you. It's not easy to open up. Okay. So, there's no paper inside. Where is this came from? Oh, so I have 3 items. It's from NIIDOR. Guys, and now, bubuksan po natin itong mga products na na-send nila ng NIIDOR sa akin. NIIDOR. First, leaf pastis. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Skin friendly siya. Invisible, reusable, great push-up. So, open natin ito. So, before I open this one, sabi dito, NIIDOR leaf pasties are made of medical-grade silicone, which is skin-friendly and hypoallergenic. They lift up breast, make you look better, and liberate you from binding straps. So, ito siya. May ano siya dito, direction, how to apply, how to remove, how to clean, and some notes: avoid direct sunlight, do not tear and rub hard, do not wear for more than 6 hours, not suitable for nursing mother. So, we will open this, guys. Titingnan natin kung gaano ito ka ganda. Oh, this is very nice. Look. Adhesive bra siya. Maganda siguro ito pang party. Lalo na pag nag-wear ka ng gown, dress. May ano siya, guys. May plastic siya for, may naka-cover siya ng plastic para hygienic siya. Tapos, of course, dalawa. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung try-on nito. So, let's proceed to the next one. So, I received 3 products from NIIDOR. Thank you so much, NIIDOR. First time I received a package na naglalaman ng underwear. So, the next product from NIIDOR, ito yung strapless bra. Push up, breathable, no sagging, charming cleavage. So, let's see guys. Wow. This is very nice. Yung style niya, I love the style. Tapos may dalawang ano siya, adhesive nipple. Dalawa. Free na siya siguro, kasama na siya dito. And then, this bra look. This looks very nice. Yung style niya, oh. This is size C, pero parang hindi siya gaanong malaki. Ang ganda guys. Yung style niya, I love the style. Tapos, ang ano siya, yung may dikit dito, oh. So, dinidikit lang talaga sa ano, sa, ayan siya, oh. That is adhesive. Tapos, ito kasama niya yung nipple, ano, adhesive din. So, siguro dito nilalagay yung ganito siya. So, this is very nice. Nakaka-excite suotin. Hindi ko pa na-try mag-wear ng ganitong klaseng bra. Pero, ever since, naghahanap talaga ako ng comfortable na bra. Kasi ang hirap. One time, umattend ako ng party na yung bra ko ay hindi strapless. So, yung dress ko ay ano, hindi long sleeve, natural. Kasi, yung parang ano siya, pang party dress. So, hindi siya strapless. Tapos, napansin ko yung strap ng bra ko ay nakalaylay na dito. So, nakakahiya. So, ayun, parang nag-isip ako na kailangan mag-wear ng strapless na bra. And, ito, yung sa NIIDOR ay magandang, ano, magandang product. Hindi ko pa natatry, pero we will show that later to you guys. Hindi ko pa na-try, pero I think this is super product. And third one is, oh, I think this is a sports bra. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. It's complete. Yeah, it's a sports bra. Sportswear. Look at guys. Very nice. Wow, I love this. 78% polyester and 22% spandex, made in China. Yeah, that's. Oh, but I love the color. Oh, very nice. And the upper. Look at this, guys. I love it. Wow, this is very nice. And it X siya sa likod. Yan ang mahalaga sa akin, guys. You know, since nung nahuhulog yung strap ng bra ko, naghahanap ako ng bra na laging X sa likod kasi at least na i-X siya at hindi na nalalaglag. So, laging wini-wear ko ay sports bra. Sa totoo lang. Pero, dahil nga sa may mga bra na ganitong style, so siguro mas maganda na i-try din yung mga ganitong klaseng bra, yung mga strapless. Pero I love this one. Ang ganda, girl.
Yes.
Mag-ano na ako nito, magti-training. I love this. Very good. So guys, I will show you the try on. Watch out! This is very nice. I love this all. I love it. Thank you, NIIDOR. I love it. I love it. Very nice product. Especially the sportswear. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, this is... This is strapless bra, push up, breathable, no sagging, charming cleavage. Sportswear. I love it. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you, NIIDOR. I love it. I love it. Very nice product. Especially the sportswear. I love it. Thank you so much.